Thank you for your interest in my listing. This property is brought to you by Real Estate Associates, covering Central Alabama since 1995. If you have additional interest after your preview, feel free to contact me direct by calling 205-415-0384. Location in the heart of Helena, 1 block off Highway 52 within Jackson Square. What more can you ask for? You're close to schools, shopping, church and banking. Just the right size for a first-time home buyer. With a little of your own decorating, you can make this a wonderful new home. The open floor plan allows for plenty of entertaining in your very own dining room with cathedral ceilings. Enjoy this fireplace each winter when the air gets brisk. Inside the kitchen you will find that our sellers have given up these wonderful stainless appliances, a breakfast bar and an eat-in kitchen. No homes are directly behind and features a fenced backyard and an open patio for entertaining. Need parking? We have it. A 2-car garage with plenty of room for your tools and storage. Be sure to call your agent and see inside now.